All right, I'm just going to go over this rotary tool here. What I got is import copy of the Fordham tool, and they work pretty good. It's lightweight handpiece. Less torque than air one, but for some people it's a little bit easier to handle, and you know, you get used to whatever you get used to. It's lightweight. This is a little bit easier to, if you're just starting doing this kind of stuff, it's a little bit easier. This machine right here is rated from 500 to 25,000 RPM. Using the electric rotary tool, flex shaft rotary tool, whatever you want to call it, die grinder, electric die grinder. It's not quite as bulky with this flex shaft system as one of the handheld units. Handheld, you can't really get into a lot of places with it. So keep your cable greased up, and I'm going to work on this head for just a little bit to make sure everything's okay.